Hi guys, it's Riya and welcome back to another episode of DIY Saturday with Riya. I am super excited for this DIY because I have been procrastinating for so long and finally I'm making this video. I always try to come up with very simple DIYs and mostly the ones which I've tried and tested and the ones which are really effective. So today I'm going to show you one amazing DIY lip scrub which you might have heard, read and might have tried in your life. And I do not like to buy such things from the market, though there are already many lip scrubs available in the market. But it is so much fun making these DIYs at home, which requires only few ingredients, and these ingredients are like something which is actually good for your skin and actually does the work. So if you talk about a lip scrub, the reasons we need a lip scrub is like, for example, it's winter season and we get dry, chappy lips and we don't need them, right? And we don't want them, right? And also, like, if you're into makeup and something, you would want to have smooth application of lipsticks on your lips and you don't want your lips to look dry, chappy, dark sometimes. So this is the reason why we need a lip scrub. So I am going to show you how to make a lip scrub at your home, which will not only provide natural exfoliation, but hello pink lips. Do watch this video till the end, and if you like this DIY, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get updates whenever I upload a new video. So let's dive into making the lip scrub now. So before I demonstrate how to apply the lip scrub, let's talk about the ingredients. I have taken granulated white sugar. You can either take brown sugar, white sugar, both works fine. So sugar works as a natural exfoliant. It helps to get rid of the dead skin over the lips. Honey, as we all know, is the best medicine for chapped lips. It has tons of antioxidants and also works as an antiseptic if you have some cuts on your lip. And we have is almond oil. You can take any of the oil, coconut oil, olive oil, any other oil. Oil works as a carrier to provide more moisture, more hydration to your lips. This DIY is something I have been using since years and it has never disappointed me. I've never ever seen any side effects to it. Only thing you have to keep in mind that you have to exfoliate gently. You don't need to scrub very hard. Otherwise, instead of removing the dead skin, you might be actually harming and causing more damage to your lips. So I mixed all the three ingredients and I like to make it fresh, like whenever I have to do the scrub. And the fact that it's very chilly here, the honey is still not melted. But somehow we'll work with it. So I've taken an earbud. So I'll show you how I do it. Usually I do standing in front of the mirror and near wash basin. And I don't want it to fall on my bed. And that's why I'm using an earbud. So, okay, let's do it like this. So the consistency is extremely thick because of the honey. And all you have to do is use your ring finger because this has the least amount of pressure and go very gently. I can actually feel the sugar granules. These are the best ingredients because it's so organic. You know, there are no preservatives here. There's no chemical here, no color here. Just the best products you can find. Don't over exfoliate, guys. Never ever over exfoliate. So I usually do it for 15 seconds, not more than that, because उसके बाद red होने लग जाएगा. So yeah, here it is. I'm done. I'll quickly go and wash it off, and I'll show you how it looks. Hello, I'm back. See, I mean, I can feel the plumpiness in my lips right now. And now I'm going to apply some Vaseline to provide moisturization. So never ever go without Vaseline. This is like my go-to product. We have done the final step. I've moisturized my lips and that's it. I hope you guys like this video because honestly I enjoyed not only sharing this DIY with you guys but also like getting myself involved in self-care because these small things makes you feel really good. Do try this DIY at home. And again, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.